Hello guys, it's Destiny here and welcome back to this video. So in this video we'll be showing you guys how to build a calculator in Python. So this calculator is going to be very basic. Trust me, it's not going to be an advanced calculator because we're still going to build an advanced calculator later in this course. But for now, we want to build a basic calculator, and this calculator is simply going to take in two numbers from user, add them together and give us an answer. So let's just go ahead and do this. First of all, I want to create a new file and let's name this basic underscore calculator. And in here, the first thing we want to do is define number one. So this number one should take an input just like what we did in the last one, and it should say enter your first number here, and we still need number two, num2. So we are defining a variable and setting them to this input. Enter your second number here. So when we run this, let's run this, and it says enter your first number here 1, enter your second number here 2. Now the code just stopped executing. Why? Because we haven't added the functionality to it. Let's go ahead and add functionality to it. So in order to do that, the first thing we want to do is come over here and we want to say results should be equal to num1 plus num2. And why am I saying results? Because that's what I want to use and track what the user stored in the num1 and num2. So let's just go ahead and say results is equal to num1 plus num2. Now I want to print results. So let's just go ahead and run this. Now it says enter a number here, we entered 1, enter a number, we entered 2. Now it gives us 12, and that's stupid. Look at it, man. How can a program be that dumb? It just gives us 12. It's stupid. So how about we say something like let's rerun this, and let's say enter your first number here, we'll say it 4. Now it's gonna say 44, right? Yeah, 44. But we don't want this to happen. Now what can we do? So the only thing that we can do now is, first of all, convert these numbers into integers. So let's just wrap this and let's convert this into integers, and I'm going to tell you guys why I'm doing this. But first of all, let's just go ahead and do this. Now when we run the program again and we put in 1 and put in 2, now it gives us 3. Isn't that nice? But how about I want to print like a decimal number alongside an integer? Now let's run this. 2 is an integer, 2.666 is a decimal. Now it gives an error. It says invalid literal for integer with base 10. You understand? There's a float, there's an integer. They don't want to see themselves together. Now what can we do? We can go over here and put floats and floats. Now floats can accept both integers and floats themselves together. Now 1 plus 2, you get 3, and you can still say something like 1 plus 2.1, sorry for that, 1 plus 1.2, now you get 2.2. so this is how it works. It's very easy. And let's say you want to make subtractions, you come over here and change this to minus sign. Now you can subtract 40 minus 10, now you get 30.0. so this is pretty much it for the calculator, and as you can see, it's like very basic calculator. But when we're making the advanced one, we wouldn't want to come over here and change the sign, change this operator over here. We would want to do it in our terminal. Like for example, let me show you what we want to do. We want to do something like 4 plus 3. Then when we hit enter, it should give us the answer. That's what we're going to do when we're building the advanced calculator. It will have to work with comparison operators. It will have to work with if statements and some loop and all that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, do not forget to drop a like on this video, comment and subscribe. That's the only way you can help us out on this channel, and I hope I will see you guys in the next video. Bye and stay safe for now.